you have 3 remotes which are going to work the television. This is the TV remote, DSTV remote, and the dongle which works your Netflix and your Disney. So if you want to, for example, watch your DSTV, what you can do is you go and you switch it on so long. You'll see there is your little box, and your box will show that it is now green. So you want to also watch your dongle. You're going to watch the dongle, push the black button, not the red button, but the black button, and you switch it on. You go back to this remote, you push your power button on, TV goes on, go back to your AV button, and you've got to push it more than once. So you push it once, you'll see it go back to H1, push it again, go to HDMI 2, and once again press OK. Take your dongle remote, you've got the right, you've got left, going up or down. You've also got the little house that will bring you back to this menu screen every time. So let's say, for example, we decide to move left and we go to Netflix. We push on Netflix. There we got Netflix now. If we push that little house, it will take us back to our menu. And so if you want to, for example, watch your DSTV, take your DSTV remote and it works as normal for your channels. You can use your numbers, use your arrows to move left and right, and so on. When we are finished watching, you can just switch off with the black button, the DSTV. There you can once again also just by using the power button, just switch it off, and at the end you can just switch off your TV by pressing the red button.